Hey there folks, today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the water inlet valves, both hot and cold, on your LG front load washing machine. Now you may need to be considering doing this if you have the machine is slow filling, not filling at all, or filling when it is off, or you have leaking from the top at the back. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing we're going to need to do is take off the top. So we'll pull this away from the wall and show you what's up. Alright, so to remove the top, we're going to be looking at the screws on these plastic pieces here, just the bottom ones here and here. Alright, once the screws are out, we're going to grab our top, slide it about 1.5 inches towards the rear, and lift up, and it comes off. Alright, so we do have the washer unplugged from the electrical supply just for our own safety. Now we're looking at the rear of the unit, and right here and here are our water inlet valves. You can see where the hoses come into the rear of the machine. The blue is obviously your cold and the red is your hot. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the blue, the cold one, and take it from there. So first things first, shut off the water supply to the unit, and we're going to take off both of our water supply lines here. All right, so if slow filling is the issue that you're experiencing, before you go replacing these valves, just take a look inside the water inlet here and you'll see these little screens. So you can actually take them out and clean them. Once you've cleaned it up, put it back in and try it out. If this has helped your issue, that's great. If not, we will proceed to replace these. All right, so we will remove our prongs. They just wiggle free. And if you forget the order of them, they are in order on the harness. So we're actually going to go ahead and do all of them all at the same time just to show you. Then we take our needle nose and pull off our clamps for our hoses. Pop off each of the hoses. I'll put a link in the description for these hose pliers. They're actually used for the car, but can be transferred to this as well. Great tool to have. All right, and then each inlet has their own 2 screws, and we will remove those. Once we remove them, the inlet valves will come off. All right, so that is the cold side right there. All right, now you would take your new inlet valve and put it back into the slot in the back, just the same way you took the old one out. And you put your screws back into place, and then do the same thing for the hot side. All right, old hot side is out. And again, get your new one and put it in the reverse of how you took it out. All right, next we put all our hoses back on and try to keep them in order that they came off. Put all our clamps back onto the hoses. And we grab our harnesses, and from the factory they are color coded, but again they are all in line in order on the harness. Then we grab our top and place it back on with that 1.5 inch gap at the front, slide it forward, and put back our 2 Phillips head screws. Alright, and then you just grab your hoses and you put them on the correct corresponding sides, and you'll be good to go. Alright, that's all there is to it, folks. Give it a test run. Just be prepared for any leaks. Monitor for any leaks. Other than that, everything should be good. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.